Hi, I'm Chef Tony Matassa. I'm the corporate chef for bbqguys.com. Today we're covering grilling for beginners. First of all, you always want to have fun, obviously, when you're grilling, but always preheat your grill well. Keep your grill fairly clean. You don't want to have a bunch of junk on your grill. That's what your food will stick to, is the particles that you leave on your grids, not the hot metal itself. So get your grill good and preheated. And then today I'll be doing some hamburgers and vegetables, some fairly common stuff to do on the grill. And one of the things about your hamburgers or any other proteins, meat, you want to make sure not to overwork anything that needs to be mixed together. And you also want to make sure to pull it out of the refrigerator and let it sit at room temperature for 30 to 45 minutes before putting it on the grill. Now, to make sure that I have maximum versatility, I like to make sure that I have the burners on one side of my grill set to either medium high or high, and then on the other side I like to have them down medium low or low. That way I can sear things off on one end and finish them cooking through to the center on the other side. And if there's anything emergency wise in the middle or crazy flare-ups, I can always pull off to the other side. Now I'll work on some vegetables. Vegetables, again, are very simple. All you have to do today, I'm going to baste them down with a little olive oil. We have some portobello mushrooms, some eggplant, and some squash and zucchini, and some bell pepper. And all this grills really well, pretty quickly, and the grill's really going to bring out a ton of caramelization and great flavor for the vegetables, way better than steamed vegetables. After basting them down like that, all you have to do, a little salt and pepper to it. And they're ready for the grill. Again, with vegetables, almost anything goes. You know, as you can see, I have mushrooms, eggplant, squash and zucchini, bell pepper works really well. Asparagus is one of my favorites. A lot of fruits also work well on the grill. Bananas, peaches, apples. It really brings out their natural sweetness, and the caramelization that you'll get on them is incredible. All right, we'll get the burgers off. We'll come back and turn the vegetables. Now, with any kind of protein or meat products like this, the other thing you want to keep in mind, or the last thing, is once you pull them, let them rest for a little while. The only thing different with the vegetables is that I'll be using tongs instead of a spatula. And with that in mind, the one thing you'll want to think about is a longer pair of tongs so that you don't have to have your hands sitting directly over that heat, cooking like the burgers and the vegetables just did. After a couple minutes on the second side, they're ready to come off. Look at that. That's going to be incredible. And that's grilling for beginners. Thank you for watching. I'm Chef Tony Matassa with bbqguys.com.